in a changing global landscape. The Canadian Automotive Partnership Council, CAPC, held a meeting on March 20th, 2025, to address growing concerns over potential new U.S. tariffs set to take effect in April. CIFC, an industry-led body that includes automaker CEOs, parts suppliers, battery manufacturers, labor, academia, and CATA representatives, emphasized how tariffs could severely disrupt vehicle assembly and supply chains, impacting over 1 million jobs in Canada and the U.S. The Council stressed that trade between Canada and the U.S. remains balanced, with U.S. imports from Canada totaling $53 billion and U.S. exports to Canada reaching $55 billion in 2024. The meeting also introduced members to Canada's new Minister of Innovation, Science and Industry, Anita Anand, who called the recent U.S. tariffs unjustified and warned they would harm both countries. Co-chaired by Rob Wildeboer, Martin Ria International, and Jean-Marc Leclerc, Honda Canada, CAPC continues to advocate for a fair, competitive North American automotive market. For the week ending March 15, 2025, Canadian used vehicle wholesale prices declined by 0.10%, according to Canadian Black Book CBB. Car segment prices dropped 0.09%, while truck SUV prices declined more at 0.12%. Notable drops were seen in full-size and mid-size cars, as well as full-size and compact vans. Some segments, however, saw value increases, such as full-size pickups plus 0.64%, and compact crossovers SUVs plus 0.44%. Auction sale rates averaged 51.7%, showing variability due to fluctuating floor prices and political factors. Slight increases in vehicle supply were noted, though upstream channels continue to dominate early access. The average listing price for used vehicles decreased slightly, with a 14-day moving average of $35,000 based on 220,000 vehicles listed on dealer lots.